today, Blunt Brothers is here with Godzilla versus Monkey versus the Avengers. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. And at the very end of this title, we got something pretty cool that says featuring Corey Reacts. That's right, baby. I'm gonna be in this video. You guys are gonna have to tell me which character that I am, okay? Let's go to get this started. Make sure to head over to Blunt Brothers channel as well. When you're done watching this, it'll be linked in the description down below.
To search getjoemobile.com once the
All right, we gotta add here, but
Joe who?
Joe, better subscribe right now or I'll break your jaw. Please don't hurt me.
Make sure to subscribe to them, dude. Subscribe to Blunt Brothers. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, dude. Part 21, please. But me first. Dude. Oh my gosh. There's so many. Jeez, that last comment was heavy, son. Stark Industries! Oh, 2012. We're going back 9 years. Oh. Bro, the way okay, listen, I'm not gonna pause it a whole bunch because I don't want to annoy you guys. But listen, the way Iron Man comes in is so sick. Yo.
Oh,
is this the worm?
Now we have 2 space portals to deal with.
Oh, okay.
Guys, this isn't where we were supposed to go.
I told you, we're gonna have to make a couple stops before we get there. Exactly how many stops do we need to take? I have no idea.
Hold this.
I love the awkward pause, dude.
I have no idea.
Hold this. I'm gonna tie their necks into a pretzel. Ow.
He said, ow, bro. Captain America hits him in the back of the shield.
Pretzel. Ow.
Ow.
Stark, Thor, you go high. The rest of us will go low. Here we go again.
Dude, that's sick. I love Iron Man. Dang, Thor's pretty strong, dude. I didn't realize there is a huge size comparison difference. I didn't realize that. Dude, oh my gosh. He's holding him down.
Ha! Your ginormous size is no match for the power of Mjolnir.
Again?
Oh, right in the eyes.
Oh boy.
Yo, Cap is strong.
I can do this all day.
Oh my god.
Merely a flesh wound.
Bro, merely a flesh wound.
Merely a flesh wound.
You will pay for that with your life, you two-headed fool!
Oh, snap. Wait! Oh, King Ghidorah versus Thor? I didn't even think about this. Bro! Romanoff? I don't think that's very effective against these guys.
What? You can't mock me for trying to be helpful.
Stark, you hear me?
Fury?
There's a missile headed straight for the city.
How close? Dude, that Iron Man voice sounds kind of familiar, bro. I'm cheesing over here.
3 minutes, tops.
Huh. And I know just where to put it. Oh! Okay, that thing's actually pretty big. Just kidding, that thing's pretty dead. Jeez.
Well, I hope you're not scared of heights.
Oh my! He's gonna land on it.
Son of a...
Here come the rockets. No way! Oh my gosh. Take him out! Huh? No, 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 no! Bro, stop! No, 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 no!
What? What? Don't look at me like that.
Bro, this is hilarious. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, I'm crying right now. Dude, the way that he took out Iron Man. The way he took out Iron Man is probably one of the funniest things ever, dude. I thought the rocket was gonna miss and hit Stark Industries. I thought that's what was gonna happen. So I thought Godzilla might move out of the way or throw it at the Stark Industries building, but he catches it, bro, turns it around, points it at Iron Man. Huh? No, 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 no! All right, you guys, listen. Oh, this was hilarious, dude. This series is getting crazier and crazier and crazier as time goes on. I don't even know what we're gonna be like here in episode 57, dude. We're gonna have like a full feature film on HBO, dude. This is gonna be crazy, all right? But listen, I know one thing for certain. You have to go over to Blunt Brothers right now and check out their content. Hit the like button, buy their merch, subscribe, comment, watch the full length of their videos so they have the extremely good watch time. Like, just go over there and show support, okay? I insist, like, go over there, you guys. And shout out to Blunt Brothers. Thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of this insane, awesome, amazing, crazy, cool film. I appreciate it so much, for real. Thank you. All right, you guys, it is your boy Corey. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys later. Bye-bye.